celebrating the mega milestone of 25 million learners. Thank you for making Olivewood India's most trusted government exam preparation platform.
Celebrate this milestone with the biggest sale of the year.
Get 55% off on all plans. Don't miss out. Join the 25 million celebration on Olive Board today.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the session. I hope you all are doing good. So here I welcome you on our another session on our another topic of the day, which is specifically on one of the important scheme from your examination perspective, and one of the important scheme which is specifically related to economic issue that we have. Or I would say not economic issue, that is specifically related to socio issue that we have. That is what? That is your Namaste scheme. Okay. So when it comes on, okay, we can write on it. Okay. So when it comes on to the Namaste scheme ना, so ये specifically किसके ऊपर है? So I have already written here towards the ending of manual scavenging. Okay. So जब मैं बात करती हूँ septic tank workers की, जब मैं बात करती हूँ हमारे जो manual scavengers है, उनके इंटरेस्ट का भी ध्यान रखना है. अब now you can see this child in front of your screen that in what situation he is working in. Okay. So यहाँ पे काम करना in itself is a big task, and since it is for the livelihood, they also have to they also do not have any other option. But since they are a part of us, they are a part of this India, and since we are welfare economy, we are developing economy, we also have to ensure that we are taking care of each and every one interest, चाहे वो manual scavengers हो, चाहे वो BD workers हो, चाहे वो tribal communities हो, चाहे वो आदिवासीज हो. हमें हर एक इंडिविजुअल, चाहे वो स्लम एरियाज में रहते लोग हों, हमें हर एक इंडिविजुअल के इंटरेस्ट का ध्यान रखना है. एंड वी आल्सो हैव टू इंश्योर दैट द गवर्नमेंट इज फोकसिंग ऑन देयर ऑन देयर सेफ्टी. इफ दे आर वर्किंग इन सच एन एनवायरनमेंट, वी आल्सो हैव टू इंश्योर दैट देयर इज अ proper take care of their safety. That is one of the foremost thing. Along with that, it is also very important that we are providing them help, we are providing them welfare opportunities, and we are providing them last time delivery of last mile delivery of the welfare services as well. So now we'll focus on the meaning of Namaste that we have. Okay, so specifically when I talk about this particular initiative, this is what I hope you people are able to see, and I've tried my best that I have written it correctly. Okay. Like there is an issue of board that is going on, so I've ensured that I've written it correctly. Okay. Okay. So this is what when it comes onto the Namaste scheme, so it is entirely related to the manual scavengers that we have. So it's a national action for mechanized sanitation ecosystem. And under it, we have to ensure that government is providing them PPE kits, government is taking care of the environment in which they are living in. Environment का ध्यान तो हमें नहीं रखना है. We have to ensure that वो जिस भी environment में काम कर रहे हैं, that is safe. Okay. Now, before I jump into the proper analysis, comprehensive, detailing of this particular initiative, before that, I have a good news for all of you. Good news is that we are celebrating 25 million users here on Olive Board. And we also want to share that good news with all of you. So that is the reason we are giving you now 55% off. That is flat 55% off. And remember me that such an offer you're not getting, you're just not going to get, in 3 to 4 months now. So it is very, very important if you are preparing for all-in-one, regulatory exam that we have, even if you are preparing for RBI, SIDBI, NABARD, SEBI. So you can have an excess of it. अगर आप अभी join करोगे, so यहाँ पे आपको क्या मिलेगा? Flat 55% off मिलेगा. 20th May को this particular, opportunity is going to be ended. और इसके लिए आपको क्या करना है? The link will be given in the description section. You have to just enroll yourself there, and you have to use the code that is 25M. Okay. या फिर if you're not able to do it, if you're not able to access it, अगर बीच में कोई भी problem आ रहा है, तो make sure that you're connecting with the team before 20th of May. before 20th of the end of the day. So yes, you can just, if you want, if you want to prepare for any of the regulatory examination, or if you are the one who is preparing for it, या फिर अगर आपको appear करना है 2026 के लिए, 2025 के लिए, so you can just have an access of it. Okay. Okay. Next thing, if you people want to connect with me, if you have any of the doubts related to your preparation, you can just join my Telegram channel, which is Economy with Payal. Okay, so if you're new joining here, if you have any doubt that is related to your preparation, not specifically with your syllabus, but अगर कुछ वो और भी doubt है that is specifically related to your preparation only. Okay, अगर कुछ confusion है syllabus को लेके, प्रिपरेशन के रिगार्डिंग ही होना चाहिए, इधर उधर का डाउट अगर हुआ तो that will not be entertained, but any doubt that is beyond syllabus as well. Okay, now why it is in news? Because this is the entire news, this is the crux of the entire news of this month only. So Namaste scheme event was there at Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. अब यहाँ पे क्या हुआ था, that there was a distribution of sanitation kits and Ayushman Bharat cards to the सफाई कर्मचारीज under the Namaste scheme. Okay, what has been the case here? So what is entire data that we'll see, that 110 sewer as well as septic tank workers were profiled under this particular scheme in the city. PPE kits were provided to them and Ayushman Bharat cards were also distributed to the selected workers. And sanction letters were also done for the low interest of loans to purchase mechanized cleaning vehicles, were given under the Swachhata Udyami, Yojana that was there. And emergency response sanitation units, safety equipment was handed over to the city's authorities as well, just to ensure that they are, we are taking care of their dignity, we are taking care of their safety, we are taking care of the social empowerment of these, sanitation workers as well. So that is the reason this particular scheme is very, very important. Now, when I talk about, the filing of these septic tank workers and sewer and septic tank workers that are there, so the number is 68,547. They've been provided. 45,871 have been provided with the PPE kits, and 28,447 have been provided with the Ayushman Bharat cards. Okay, and the entire focus is what? Towards the development, and towards the development as in what? Towards the inclusive development. Okay, towards the inclusive development, we want to include each and every individual. Okay, we want to include each and every individual. Now coming on to the scheme, the main idea of the scheme. So it was launched in the year of 2023-24. What was the main aim here? To eliminate manual scavenging by 25-26 across 4,800 plus urban local bodies. Okay, अब यहाँ पे जो first time जो allocation था when this particular scheme was initiated, that was during the initiation. ठीक है, वरना मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल विल से कि मैम ने तो बजट ही गलत लिख दिया. सो आई एम ऑलरेडी मेकिंग इट क्लियर कि जब ये स्कीम स्टार्ट हुई थी तो बजट जो एलोकेशन है वो कितना हुआ था, दैट वाज 349.70 करोड़. एंड जो इनिशिएटिव है इट इज जॉइंटली टेकन बाय मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ सोशल जस्टिस एंड एम्पावरमेंट and Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs as well. Okay, ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है कि जो सैनिटेशन है लोगों, जो सिवियर हमारे जो सेप्टिक टैंक वर्कर्स है उनकी सैनिटेशन का हमें प्रॉपर ध्यान देना है. And we also have to ensure we have to reduce the number of deaths. Okay, and that through what? That through mechanization and safety protocols that should be specifically taken and that should be clearly taken. Okay, abolishment of the manual scavenging as well by 25-26 and its caste based legacy as well. Okay, अब जो manual scavenging होती है ना, that is entirely when it comes into India ना, so यहाँ पे जो caste है वो बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले करती है. ठीक है, तुम्हारे ऑक्यूपेशन के ऊपर तुम क्या कर रहे हो. अब आज जो है इसकी सिग्निफिकेंस बहुत कम रह गई है, बट स्टिल यहाँ पे जो मैनुअल स्कैवेंजिंग वाला काम है, फिर जो सेप्टिक टैंक वर्कर्स होते हैं उनका जो वर्क है दैट इज स्टिल रिलेटेड टू व्हाट, दैट इज स्टिल रिलेटेड टू कास्ट बेस्ड लेगेसी. वी नीड टू रिमूव दैट. ओके, अगर किसी इंडिविजुअल को नीड है तो वो तभी वहां पे उस जगह पे जाके काम कर रहा है, बिकॉज उसका maybe we cannot know the reason, but of course the reasons will be very harsh and the after effects will also be very harsh, क्योंकि वो उतने harsh environment में काम कर रहे हैं. of course बहुत ही ज़्यादा basic needs का coverage हो गया, बाकी चीज़ें होगी which are related to it. so of course उन चीज़ों के लिए ही that particular individual is working, otherwise who wants to work in that particular septic tank, है ना. So this is what it is related to. Since it is, your your social issue that is there, it is very, very important that you come, just have a look at the scheme. So we need to uplift them when it comes onto the social issue. We need to, remove that, and we want to uplift them. Okay. Skilling in entrepreneurship is what is related to Sani, preneurs. It is also related to it. And we also want to provide them health protection through Ayushman Bharat, PMJ and PPE kits as well. Okay, components इसके अंदर क्या क्या included है? So work profile, data on socio-economic conditions that is there. ये जो है as of September 2024, 38,000 sewer and septic tank workers have been profiled, in 3,326 urban local bodies. Health and safety का भी ध्यान दिया गया है. So this is how it is distributed. This is the पुराना डेटा. ओके, ये जो है ये पुराना डेटा है. न्यू डेटा इज दिस. ओके, द न्यू डेटा इज दिस. सो दिस इज अपडेटेड डेटा. ओके, दिस इज अपडेटेड डेटा. सो यहाँ पे एज इट इज एज ऑफ मई 2025. सो जब भी अगर आपको पेपर में भी क्वेश्चन आता है, सो दिस इज द अपडेटेड वन. ओके, जस्ट मेक श्योर दैट दिस इज द अपडेटेड वन. ओके, जस्ट डोंट फोकस ऑन द प्रीवियस डेटा. Now where were we? Okay, so we were on the financial assistance which have been provided. We have already covered it. Mechanization हम उनको push भी दे रहे हैं. We are focusing on the sludging vehicles as well. उनको availability करवाना. Establishment of the emergency response sanitation units as well. Training awareness भी उनको properly provide करवाई जा रही है. ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे challenges क्या क्या आते हैं? सबसे पहले जो हमारे caste based legacy है ना, ये सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज है, क्योंकि सोसाइटी को एक तरीके से समझाना, सोसाइटी को अपने तरीके से टेलिंग देम दैट दिस इज द ट्रुथ, टेलिंग देम दैट दिस इज नॉट समथिंग और अदर रिलेटेड विद द कास्ट थिंग. इट इज वेरी वेरी टफ. ओके, आई वुड से दैट इवन मोर देन द फाइनेंशियल obstruction that we have, even more than that, what is tough here to deal with is with the people, to tell them about that this is not a thing which is related to the caste based legacy. It is something or another related to the needs of the people. Oh, of course, if someone needs it, only then he is the one who's working there, na? Otherwise, who wants to work in that particular environment, in that particular, the thing that is there? Underreporting of the workers under the, urban local body, that is also case. Weak implementation of the 2013 Act, and poor sewerage infrastructure and violence against those trying to exit the manual scavenging. Okay, so these are the impacts and, the challenges that we have. But how we can move forward it, how we can just overcome these many challenges. So one of the major thing that we have to link it with the PMG Narega for the alternate livelihoods. अब ऑफ कोर्स अगर एक इंडिविजुअल उसको पैसे तो कमाने हैं, है ना, तो वो इस एरिया के अंदर काम कर रहा है, इस सर्विसेज के अंदर काम कर रहा है. अब अगर उनको एक ऑल्टरनेट प्रोवाइड करना है, सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द ऑल्टरनेट्स व्हिच वी कैन प्रोवाइड टू देम, so that they can just come out from that particular environment, from that particular work, and they can just shift towards the another work. Okay, we also have to enforce laws through the national as well as grassroots levels committees, and railways to adopt what bio toilets and report progress as well, so that we can just protect them from there. Social audit should be done, and dedicated monitoring panel should be held there, so that we can do proper mapping and monitoring of them. Investment is also needed towards the advanced training technology. Why? To keep humans at the place where they are not required, when we have best services, best, I would say, defending system, best when we are moving, when we talk about AI integration, when we talk about robotics, when we talk about Internet of Things, we're even integrating it with the farming system, in each and everything. So why to not focus on this area? So that is the reason it is very, very important that we soon take necessary steps that should take care of the interests of such individuals. And also it is very important to take care of their dignity, even though they are working there. This is their requirement. Okay, this is their necessity. But since they are humans, it is very important role of the society as well as of us to take care of the dignity of these individuals and to give them a way so that they can also come out of that particular situation. Okay, so all right, thank you so much. I hope the basic information related to it is is covered here. And when it comes onto the data, so I've already told you that this is the updated data here. And if you want to integrate it with your notes, so this is the updated data which you can mention there. Okay, so all right, thank you so much. I will meet you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye, and Jai Hind. Bye bye.